You add a teaspoon of the citric acid.
Yep. Gotta add that.
And then the sodium bicarbonate powder.
Yep. Gotta add this.
Not much.
Add a little too much.
Take some of that off of there.
There you go.
There we go. Add this powder.
Okay.
And then.
Stir it up. You can use one of these to stir it up.
Okay. I'll use this to. I'll use a tiny one. Stir it.
And then stir it up a little bit.
Have to stir up the powder.
I think you're good.
Okay, let's stir it up.
Then add some water to it. Let's see what happens.
And let's add the water.
Whoa!
Woo!
Ew.
Now it gives you extra ideas on what to add to make it even bigger eruptions. But we didn't try that. We just tried the stuff that came with the kit. Well, what do you think, guys? Like it?
Yep.
That's cool.
The next step said if you add a couple drops of detergent to your mix, it'll get larger eruptions. So let's try that. Put a couple drops in there.
1 drop. 2 drop.
Okay.
3 drop. Yeah.
And then add your a little teaspoon of both of those, the eruption powder.
Okay, the teaspoon. There we go. Oh, teaspoon. Thank you. Okay, 1 teaspoon of this. Put that in there. And next step is to get a teaspoon of the other stuff, the citric acid. Put this in there. And
Okay.
now we mix it up. So let's mix in our stuff. Ooh, all soapy. Yeah. Yucky. Okay. Now we add the water. Let's see what happens.
Add a little bit more water and let's see. Well, that gave a bigger eruption than the other one, right?
Yeah, it did.
Okay.
Yeah, let's add a little bit more. This is fun.